Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you how to mine Bitcoin like real fast in low-end PC. This is the fastest mining software I ever tested and stuff, so I just wanted to show it to you guys. So what you're gonna firstly do is you're gonna go on the link in the description down below and you'll see it yourself on this website. You can just log in or sync up by using Instagram or Facebook. So I'm going to be using Instagram on this tutorial, but I already have an account on a website and I mine a lot Bitcoin. So you're going to click on Summit and you're just going to enter your username. And like your password. And you're just gonna click on login. It'll pop like an ad or some shit, but you can just close it, ignore it, and you're just gonna click on continue after that. And as you can see, I have correctly $4,289 that I mined myself. And you can download the miner for Windows by just clicking in here. And this website now have a lot of information about Bitcoin and how the application works. As you can see, it's a lot of information. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit on download if you don't have it. But I'm not doing it because I already have it downloaded on my computer. So let me just close this and show it to you guys how this simply works. I don't know, but sometimes it just like crashes your computer because it mines like real fast. So yeah, let's just give it a test. So you're gonna enter your ID. Enter your ID. So after in the website, you get your ID after you download it. When you download it, you get also a txt file that shows your ID, and you just gonna input your ID in here. And after that, you're gonna click on enter and you start mining. Go to yes. As you can see, it's mining like real fast. As you can see, it's mining like real fast. As you can see, it mines real fast. As you can see, yeah, I think just the program crashed. This happens sometimes because you can just restart your computer and relaunch the app if this happens. It don't happen a lot, like sometimes, because like it mines like real fast, like this fast mining. And yeah, whatever, like I make like real fast money by using this app. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making new meme tutorials. So peace out.